When you greet the customer, let them know we are now serving all Quarter Pounder sandwiches with fresh beef. For example, "Hi, would you like to try our Quarter Pounder with cheese now made with fresh beef cooked right when you order it?" If you are in the drive-thru and a customer's order is not ready, the customer should be parked. When parking the customer, the presenter should tell the customer why they are being parked, how long we anticipate the wait, and where to go. So the crew will say, "We're finishing making your fresh beef Quarter Pounder with cheese. Your order will be ready for you in about 3 minutes. Please pull forward to the second pickup window." There are also a couple of key things that all managers in the restaurant should be familiar with to troubleshoot hot off the grill. The first is how to handle a pinking complaint. If a customer returns a 4-to-1 sandwich because it is undercooked, you will need to take care of the issue immediately with the customer and then ensure the root cause of the problem is addressed. An example of what a manager or crew person could say to the customer would be, "I'm sorry you're unhappy with the way your burger is cooked. We take food safety very seriously, but we are happy to make it right by fixing it. Thank you for making us aware of this." Depending on the customer's needs, fixing it could mean replacing the sandwich or refunding the customer's money. If you replace the sandwich, ensure you observe procedures to verify that the replacement sandwich does not have any pink prior to serving it. Once you've taken care of the customer, follow the steps on the Troubleshooting the Pink tool to identify the root cause issue. It is important to know that oftentimes the pinking is caused by carbon buildup on the grill, so that should definitely be checked when you follow up. The other thing that all managers in the restaurant should know is how to address service barriers. To mitigate the impact on service times, there are several key steps that can be followed. Staffing for the increased 4-to-1 unit movement that is anticipated. Ensuring the grill is clean to get the fastest cook time possible. Dialing in the grills for optimal cook time. Having a sense of urgency in laying fresh beef patties. Remember, laying, turning, seasoning, and removing the patties all needs to be done in 12 seconds or less. Effectively using pull forward when there is a wait so other orders aren't negatively impacted. In closing, there are a couple of critical procedures that must be completed correctly to ensure you are executing hot off the grill at a gold standard level. All fresh beef must be stored between 34 and 40 degrees. When ready to use, sleeves of fresh beef are placed in a blue pan with a blue lid, with secondary shelf life stickers placed on the side of the sleeve of fresh beef and on the side of the blue pan. Up to 3 sleeves of fresh beef can be opened in the 2-drawer refrigerator so they are ready to use. When a 4-to-1 patty is needed, the beef monitor will display the order and give the grill person an audible notification. Never lay more than 3 patties at a time. Single patties are laid in the middle of the platen. 2 patties are laid east-west on a 2-platen grill and north-south on a 3-platen grill, and 3 patties are always laid in a triangle. When cooking is complete, remove the patties with the spatula. Using both hands and at a 45-degree angle, turn them, season them, and put them on the appropriate transfer tray so the sandwiches can be completed on the prep line. Service crew should describe the product to customers that all Quarter Pounder sandwiches are now being served with fresh beef and are only cooked when a customer places an order. To maintain a great fast service experience, drive-thru customers should be parked if their fresh beef 4-to-1 sandwich isn't ready when they arrive at the present window. Customers should be told why they are waiting, how long the anticipated wait is, and where to go to wait for their order. All service crews should also be familiar with how to properly address a customer with a pinking complaint. Finally, all managers in the restaurant should be familiar with the required steps to troubleshoot the pink, as well as the 5 steps to mitigate service impacts. When consistently completed, these steps will enable you to execute hot off the grill at a gold standard level.